Okay, so let's start. We'll just keep your hand here. Just squat. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so second will be sagittal. This is the sagittal variation. My feet is coming over there in the camera. Not coming. I have to go a little bit back, I guess. Now it's coming. Fine? Yeah. So, sagittal variation, okay. Don't turn your feet outside now. That is other way. See your backside feet. Backside feet is turning outside, everybody is. Most of people, yeah. Why it turns out, you know? That feet turns out, no, whenever we do this one, because that glutes are tight. That's why it turns out, okay. Whenever we do this one and suddenly that feet is coming outside, means your glutes is tight. That's why it turns out, okay. So, now squat. 1, 2, 3. Do same time. 4, 5. You can raise your heel, no problem. Change. Feet straight. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this is the sagittal plane. Now we will go in the frontal plane with wide base. Frontal plane with wide base. Now squat. Now you're going to feel little bit of adductors muscles. 2, 3, 4, 5. So now when you join our feet, now we'll feel more of the abductors. When you split, we'll get more effect on the adductors. So abductors means glute medius will feel more. Join it. 2, 3, 4, 5. So now transverse plane. Transverse planes mean with normal stance, shoulder width stance. Now we'll go toe out. Yeah. 1, 2. You can see when we do this one, our knee goes in different angle. That's what we are training our knee. Okay. Now this is the most difficult one. Rotate. If you can't do that, means your muscles are tight. Glutes are tight, IT band, those are tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever we do squat, no, most of the time clients, what they will do squat and they will stop here. This is very bad position, okay. You should not let them do this one. We have to, when they do this one, they're going to make their hip flexors tight. That's what they will get lots of back pain in this one. So always we have to tell them to squeeze their glutes and stress the hip flexors. Have you noticed this one? Always you have to tell them, okay, don't let them stop over here. This one, even in deadlift, even in squatting. You have to squeeze your glutes and come up till here. Have you seen the Olympic lifters? They'll lift, they'll come and they'll do this one, they'll come in extension. That's what they're going to do. If they have stuck over here, that iliopsoas muscle, hip flexors, iliopsoas muscle. Where does it origin from? You know, it origins from your all L1 to L5. So when it gets spasm or it contracts hard, it's gonna cause the back pain. So never in this position. Always it should come this one. Okay. So all the 3 planes are over. So we're gonna do now 2 plane tweaks. We'll add. First, we'll do in sagittal and transverse. So we can call it transverse sagittal or sagittal transverse plane tweak. Okay, anything we can call it. Now, so 1. You can raise the feet behind, no problem. Both the variation you can do. Either you can keep it straight or you can raise the heel. Okay, but don't turn this side. I want you to face this front only. Okay. Okay. Now toe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now change the leg. Sagittal, then toe out transverse. So sagittal transverse or transverse sagittal. You can tell anything. Okay. 1, 2, face that side, yeah, 3, 4. If you can't face that side means you again your muscles are tight, glutes tight. Now inside, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we're going to do the frontal transverse or transverse plane with frontal plane. So frontal plane we have gone, now we have to tweak it in the transverse plane. Little wide base, yeah, little wide, take a wide, yeah. Now straight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now turn your feet inside, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now narrow base and transverse, yeah, toward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now toe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we're going to do sagittal along with sagittal plane. Now we're going to tweak it in a frontal plane. So sagittal frontal or frontal sagittal. Okay. Now do squatting. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So same way other one. Sagittal, then go in the frontal plane. Yeah. Now do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this one is frontal plane, two variations. One is wide base, one is narrow base. So we're going to go in the narrow base now. Yeah. Now do the squatting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So two plane variation is done. Now we are going to tweak the 3 planes. Okay. So 3 plane is going to be a little bit difficult. Okay. So listen, watch carefully. Okay. First we will go in sagittal plane. Now after that we will go in the frontal plane. Now we will go in the transverse plane. Yeah. Now squat. Try to face forward only. Don't face this one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now toe in. Yeah. Squat. 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the leg. Sagittal, go in sagittal plane, then frontal plane, then transverse plane. Yeah, got it? No, 1. Try to keep your body straight. 2, not this side, not this one. 3, yeah. 4, 5, yeah. Now change. Yeah. 1. You can see the knee, how our knee is reacting. This is how we have to train our knee. Okay, mainly in the athletes, because they will have lots of knee variation when they land, when they move. all this different variation will come. That's why we have to strengthen in different position so that they don't get the injury while playing. Okay, now frontal plane, wide base we have done. So we have to do frontal plane, narrow base. So sagittal plane, yeah, sagittal plane, frontal plane, narrow base, then transverse plane, yeah, feet outside. Now do squat. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now toe in. Sagittal plane, frontal plane it came, then now, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? This. Okay. Take rest. Now we're gonna